Hey everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. Today I have another style box to share with you, and that is my fashion box. For some reason, no matter how hard I try, and I say this all the time, all of my boxes seem to come in at the same time, and I just had such a busy weekend. I don't know when you're gonna see this. I had to ask Fashom for an extension. So Fashom is not a monthly subscription service. It's more of like an on-demand service. So you just kind of request a box whenever you want. I'll leave some information below about Fashom and a link if you'd like to try it. I really enjoy their boxes. Their prices are a little bit lower, but I don't feel like you sacrifice the quality for what you get. And I also love Fashom's discount system. So you do pay a $15 styling fee after your first box. For your first box, your styling fee is waived. But then after that, you pay $15. But then, like many of the other boxes, it is credited to anything that you keep. But with Fashom, if you keep 3 or 4 items, you get a discount. And then if you keep all 5, you get 30%. I think it's a 20% discount, which I'll look at when I open the paperwork. You fill out a profile. And what I like about Fashom too is that I'm a peeker, and you all know that. You get a preview of items, so you kind of know what's coming to you, and you get to pick. The last box I got before this, I asked, that was the first time I had to do that. I had to ask for a new selection of items. And then they sent me some more items to choose from. This box, I didn't have to do that. So I did open the box. I didn't go through everything yet in person. I kind of have an idea of what's in here. You do get your invoice with all of your items. I'll go over prices, sizes, materials as I try things on. And then, okay, let me just check the discount. Okay, so you get 25% for keeping 3 or 4. So that's really nice. And then you get a card that explains what you do after. So it lays it out nicely if you're new to Fashom. And then also with Fashom, you get a prepaid mailer. So anything that you're not keeping goes in this bag here, and it's USPS. So that's really nice. All right, let's go through my items and then I'll try things on. I'm excited to try things on because I think there's a couple promising things. So this first piece is by Moci. I think it's Moci by Purple Rain. So it's this really cute top. I don't think I requested anything specific, but I can't remember. So it looks like it's a V-neck. Really pretty print, and then it's got a tie front, which I do like that style. This looks like it might be a little short for me, but we will see. It looks promising because I love the colors, I love the pattern, and I love the tie front style. All right, next I have, this is by MTS, I think it's Mittoshop, and this is just a striped black and white shirt, short sleeved, so that's nice. The material feels really nice. I like Mittoshop. This next piece, yep, it's camo. This is also by MTS, which I think is Mittoshop, and it's a camo tank. I love the neckline. Oops, I love the neckline. I love it's got a button down, and then it's also got a tie front. So I love the pinks in this too. I think that's really, really pretty. So that looks like a contender. And then this is by Mittoshop as well, and I think I have this in black, but I think the one I have might be a different neckline. So it's a really pretty color. I like it a lot. And then the sleeves have this lace detail on each side. And it's a short sleeve top. And then lastly, this is by Skies Are Blue. And this is a romper. So it almost looks like a magenta, or it's kind of coming across as more of a reddish pink on screen, I think. I can't really tell. But it's got some yellows in it. It's got some corals in the floral print. And then it's got an elastic waistband in the back. This will be interesting. And it is a short romper. So some interesting pieces. All right, so let me get to the try on and we'll see how things fit, what I'm gonna keep, what I'm gonna send back. I'll be right back. Okay, so this first top is by Moci by Purple Rain. It's a printed knot top. It is $38 in an extra large. I could not for the life of me find the fabric, the material of this shirt, so I apologize that I can't share that with you. There were no tags on the sides, and I couldn't find it on the back tag either. So anyway, I do like the neckline. The sleeves are so cute. It almost has a little bit of a flutter sleeve, and I love the pattern of this top. I think it's so pretty. I do like the tie front too. I really like that style. And I love the print of this top. The only thing is this top is a little bit short for my liking. I'm not used to having tops this short. And so I'd kind of be uncomfortable. I think for me, I'd kind of be pulling it down all day. And so I don't know. It's cute. I just don't know for the length if I like it. Let me show you the back of the top. think? I mean, I think if you're somebody that likes your tops a little bit shorter, or you don't mind them being a little bit shorter, this is so cute. I just worry that I'd be pulling down. But anyway, let me try the next top and I will be right back. All right, I am back, and this top is by Mittoshop. This is the Stripe MultiWay Look neck knit top. It is $39. It is 95% rayon and 5% spandex. It's an extra large. Neckline, I like the one shoulder, off the shoulder look. I think it's so cute. I don't know. I'm on the fence about this top. So it's a little bit baggy through here. There's a lot of extra room, which is okay. It's not too big. I do like the sleeves. I love the off the shoulder look on the one side. I don't know, I like it, I just don't love it. It's a good length, but I don't know. I'm on the fence. What do you think? All right, I'm gonna try on that camo top because I'm really excited to try that, and I will be right back. Okay, so this top is by Mittoshop. This is the camo button-down tie tank top. It is $39. It's a poly, rayon, and spandex blend, and is an extra large. So yeah, I think I'm keeping this top. This top is really cute. So I do love the neckline. It's got the split V neckline, and then it does have buttons down the front, and it does have a tie front, and it's a better length than the other top. I feel more comfortable in this length of a top, so I think I am going to keep this top. I love the camo print. I don't own a lot of camo tops. I think I own one camo t-shirt, and I own a couple of camo pants, but that's pretty much it. So I'm excited to incorporate more into my wardrobe, and I think this is so fun. It's so cute, and it's a little bit feminine because of the pinks that are in there. Here's the back. So yeah, I think this will be a great addition to my wardrobe. So yep, I think this one is a keeper, and the material feels great. It's really soft. So all right, I have one more shirt, and then yep, I'll try to get into the jumpsuit or the romper. So hang on one second. All right, I am back again, and this is by Mittoshop too. This is the Jersey Slub scoop neck knit top. It is $38. This is, okay, so the body of the shirt here is a 95% rayon and 5% spandex, and then the sleeves here on each side are 70% cotton and 30% nylon. Whew, I remember that. So, oh, and it's an extra large. I covered everything. So I have a top that is similar to this in black, and I do pull for it. I do like this top. So as you can see, it's got the lace detail, whoops, on the sleeves. So it's really cute. And then it has a good length too. I don't know if I like this color for me. I don't know. I don't know how much I'd pull for it. Here's the back. So if I love something, I'm okay with buying it in more than one color, but I love the black one I have. I just don't know if I'd pull for this one as much for some reason. I don't know, I feel like I'm limited with this color, but let me know what you think. I do like it, so it is a possibility. All right, let me try on the romper. Let's see if I can get in it. Hold on one second. All right, I am back, and this is by Skies Are Blue. This is the button front printed jumpsuit. It is $53, an extra large, and it is 100% rayon. So the actual body of it is rayon. There's also a lining in the short portion, which I'll show you. So it is a short romper, and see, it's got the lining, which is also 100% rayon. I just don't know about this for myself. What do you guys think? I do like the neckline. It does have a V-neck. I don't know about the print for me. The sleeves are short, they're pretty cute. It does have functional buttons here, which the buttons match the pattern of the romper. And then it does have an elastic waistband, which is nice. The short length is good, and it does have pockets, which I really, really like. But I just don't know. I'm not really feeling it, I don't think. Yeah, I don't think I'm feeling this romper, so I think this one is going back. Okay, I'll be right back, and we will do a quick recap. Okay, what do we think? Not a bad box, but I think there's only one keeper. But let me know what you think. Let's go through the items really quickly. So the first, not the first top, I'm going in the order of my pile. So this is the Mittoshop top. I'm on the fence about this one. I do like the style, but since I already have a black one, I don't know that I need another one right now. I think maybe if this came around springtime, I might have changed my mind, but yeah, I think I'm gonna send this one back. The one that I am gonna keep, I think, is this camo top. So this was also by Mittoshop, and this was the camo top that had the tie front. So yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this one. I really like the colors. I like the style of this one. So I think this one's going in my closet. I think I'm gonna send back this black and white one. I liked it. I just don't know that I loved it. So I'm gonna send this one back. I'm just trying to keep things that I really, really love at this point. So the camo one I love. And then I wanted to love this one so bad. I just couldn't because of the length. I don't know. I might watch back and see if I think differently of it. But because I love the pattern, I love the colors of this, and I don't own anything like this. But because it was so short, I think I'm gonna send it back. But I'm gonna rewatch and just make sure. And then I am gonna send back this romper. It just wasn't for me. I don't know, something about the pattern just didn't do anything for me. So this one is going to go back. But yeah, I think we have my keeper, the camo top. What do you think? Am I making the right choice? All right, thank you so much for spending some time with me today. I truly appreciate it. I hope you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you all in my next video.